Neil deGrasse Tyson is about to reveal the secrets behind this seemingly harmless technology. Get ready to question your deepest beliefs about how a microwave really works, and leave behind the popular myths surrounding it. Don't miss this opportunity to witness how science can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.
Microwaves. This is a World War II attempt to communicate using microwaves. And they found out some guy's chocolate bar melted in the microwave field. And they said, what happened there? And they did some more tests. And of course, the water molecule and other molecules common in food respond to microwaves. It vibrates them ferociously. And so you put food in a microwave cavity, the water content of the food vibrates, friction cooks the food. There's still people today who say, oh, nuke this. Because I think it's so fast and they quite. Oh, you still say it's still. Have no fear. It's just friction. Okay, friction it.
Yeah, but everybody's scared that it fucks up the food.
Well,
does it?
No. It just heats the water.
People get scared. The woo-woo people do.
Okay, so here's the thing. There's certain foods that don't respond well to the flipping of the water molecule, and one of them is like bread products.
Gets hard.
Yeah, it gets chewy and leathery.
Yeah,
and
but only if you like overdo it.
If you overdo, you got to do it just right, and you're still good. You wouldn't grill a steak in a microwave. You would heat up the meat uniformly, and that's all it would do. It cooks bacon pretty fast.
Yeah,
but it's a mess and it splatters all over. So you pick the foods that are best for that situation. As you would pick the foods best, you wouldn't put toast in an oven at 350 degrees, bread to make toast. We have toasters for that. Right. So different things in your kitchen do things best. You wouldn't make ice cream in your toaster oven.
But people are afraid of microwaves. The one thing that they're afraid of.
It's not that they're afraid of microwaves. That they're afraid of things they don't understand. That's your point. Precisely.
Yeah. They're afraid that something's going to happen to their food that makes it less good.
Correct. And it's not the not knowing that people fear.
My wife's friend's mom will not eat something that comes out of a microwave.
Really?
She quotes that as part of what makes her healthy. She drinks a lot of water. She refuses to eat microwave food.
The whole life is around not using microwave food.
She won't eat anything that comes out of a microwave.
Okay, I'm glad that she doesn't, she can live a long, happy life as such.
She has to reheat food old school.
Okay, one of the hardest things is reheating lasagna if you don't have a microwave oven.
True.
That's like impossible.
Because you're going to cook it again.
You're going to cook it again.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
So I think microwave ovens were invented for leftover lasagna.
And just eat a bowl of pasta, just in general.
Yeah.
Soup.
Yeah,
great for soup.
Soup is good.
Yeah. So you don't have to worry about it. It's not doing anything to it. It's not sucking any nutrients out or adding any nuclear radiation.
Correct.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with radiation in the normal sense, other than electromagnetic radiation. It's already light from the bulb. We tend to use radiation in the context of stuff that would hurt you. So that would be radiation of high enough energy to hurt you. And microwaves are not in that category.
I never even thought about what microwaves do until this conversation.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a certain frequency of microwaves that beautifully pairs with the water molecule.
Oh.
And it vibrates it brilliantly.
So it doesn't work for completely dried things?
Yeah, that's why if you put something that has no water in it, it's not really very useful.
What happens to
it's why
beef jerky?
There's still some moisture in it, correct.
Yeah.
It's why it heats the food and not the plate. If the plate gets hot, it's not because the microwave oven heated the plate. It's because the
food's hot.
Hit the food, and the food. That's why you can usually pick it up at the handles. You can cook food on a paper plate.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't burst into flame.
It doesn't burst into flame.
With his unique style, Neil deGrasse Tyson shows us once again that science can be fun, accessible, and incredibly interesting when explained in the right way. If you enjoyed this lesson on microwaves, be sure to check out his other videos, where he covers a wide range of scientific topics with the same passion and eloquence that he is known for. Stay with us and keep feeding your curiosity about the fascinating universe that surrounds us.